Coming back at you with Hard Hat Cam in Dallas, Texas, IFCEE 2024. I am here at the IDE booth with the fabulous Matt Dillon. Matt, how's the show been for you so far?
It's been hot, but it's been good. We've had a lot of traffic. Seems to be a very good show. So I'm just looking forward to the next couple days.
Oh, that's fantastic. So what are you really looking to show off at the show this year?
We've partnered with Casa Grande, so we've got several Casa Grande drills here. We have a couple of STA units, grout plant silos, Marini anchor and tieback drills. So that's kind of what we're looking for.
Okay, and we're standing here right in front of one of your STA grout plants. What am I looking at here?
It's a bag breaking unit that turned into a unit that could be fed with a silo. So it's basically set up to do anchor, tieback, micropile work, making 5 cubic meters an hour of high shear grout. It's been a really good unit for us. We put it on a lot of different jobs. Have pumped grout with screw pumps, 1,800 foot with these things. So it's been a really, really good unit for us. Cost of ownership is very low compared to some of our competitors, just due to how we've done some of the designs. So that's been one thing that's been really good for us.
Now, you said this is made by STA. You're a dealer for STA, but do you have any influence over the design?
Yes, we basically took this design to STA. We worked off of one of their pre-made units and kind of modified it to fit the U.S. market due to some designs that we had dealt with before. So it's been something that's basically an 8-year-old design, and we just tweaked and improved it as we went.
All right, so if I'm using the machine and I've got some kind of special application, I'd like to kind of change around with it. We can, a contractor come in and kind of work with you, try to make some changes?
Yes, sir. We set it up so this particular unit has a piston pump on it, which is going to be a more high pressure application. But as simple as taking this cover here off, turning, you can put a screw pump on in maybe 30, 45 minutes, and you're using low pressure, high volume.
All right, fantastic. Now, you said this is a bag fed, but I'm actually standing here behind me is a silo.
That is correct. So you can see we've taken the bag breaker off, and now you've got a silo top. So now all you have to do, and kind of left these separate just for show purposes, but this trunk would go here. Couple connections to the grout plant. The silo is hydraulically driven, so you don't need a gen set. It'll hold 3 super sacks, so roughly 6,000 pounds.
Oh, well, let's get a look at it. Walk with me. All right, so this is a silo. It's not a very big silo, which is actually kind of nice. So tell me a little about this silo here.
So we kind of really started in this project when the silicosis word come around, because we knew that was going to be an issue. So most jobs are not, most of your anchor jobs are not big enough to justify a full truckload of grout. So we looked at a super sack solution. One, it's more productive, safer, and you don't have to worry about the dust as bad as you are if you're busting bags.
Now, how many pounds of cement is this thing designed to hold?
It's right at 6,600 pounds. Three super sacks, and it takes roughly 5 minutes to load a super sack in this. You can see the top, it's open here. It actually has a spear inside, so you don't have to send an employee up to open it. You can just drop it down, it tears the bag open, and all the cement empties into the silo.
Oh, well, that's fantastic. You get guys climbing up there, we'll have Rick Marshall screaming down our throats. So that's a fantastic thing.
Now, one thing we did do, and now it's on the other side, but we have a catwalk with fall protection on it. So when you do need to get up to service something, you can do it and be safe while doing it.
All right, well, fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Matt. Looks like you got some good equipment here.
Thank you, buddy.
All right.
See you, guys.